And it is time for your legal buzz, and that means we need one of our bridge legal advisors. But, since it is baseball season, we have a substitution. Ladies and gentlemen, now batting for John Price, please welcome Bobby Phipps. Phipps. How you doing, Bobby?
Good morning, Richard. How are you?
Doing okay. Yes, baseball season, and yes, it is boating season as well. Man, such a great place to live on the Carolina coast and take your boat out. And I know boating accidents are another thing that you guys at the John Price Law Firm can deal with, and I know you got some boating safety tips as more and more people get out on the water.
That's right, Richard. I mean, we have more and more people moving here. We all know that. The traffic on the roadways is one thing. The traffic on the waterways is getting congested as well. So in South Carolina, we don't have to take a test to operate a boat. Anybody can go buy a boat and get right out on the water. What we try to do is tell people, look, when you get a boat, if you don't know how to operate a boat, you should really. There's a handbook that South Carolina DNR, Department of Natural Resources, puts out. It's a boater safety handbook, and at bare minimum, people should read that cover to cover. It's a fairly easy read, but I always tell people you really need to get that. It's available online at the DNR at www.dnr.sc.gov.
Yeah, that's good information there as well, and you can really see a lot of people at the boat ramps on these nice weekends, And
it's getting, the South Carolina or Charleston County has not had a lot of new boat ramps in the past 20 years. So we've got an influx of boats that we, really can't handle a lot of times. So the weekends are really packed. So a couple of things to kind of keep in mind really is check your boat before you go to the ramp. Make sure you got all your safety equipment and make sure that your boat's running before you get to the ramp and then discover that you have an issue with it. Make sure you have a float plan too, that you tell people where you're going, and just in case something happens and your cell phone gets dropped in the water and you have no way to get in touch with somebody.
No, those are some smart ideas for people as they hit the waterways this spring and summer. And yeah, we always talk about you need accident advice. You get in touch with John Price. So that's not just for the land, it's for the sea as well. So Bobby, how could they get in touch with you and John and everybody over there at the John Price Law Firm?
Always at johnpricelawfirm.com. Our number also we have is 843-552-6011, or our toll-free is 800-868-HELP, and that's 800-868-4357.
Well, Bobby, you did a fine job pinch hitting for Mr. John Price here on the Legal Buzz.